How's it going, everyone? I'm Tyler and welcome to the Fish for Moto channel. This, as you most probably already know, is Flora's Kawasaki ER6N, and today it's wash day for the bike. So unfortunately, this time of year, other than the cold, another downside to riding is the roads are salty, they're grimy, and it don't take long for your bike to get filthy. And as well as that, the salt's not good for corrosion. It breaks down parts on your bike really quickly, and also gunks up things like your chain, your calipers, causes your chain to rust really quickly. So it's just good practice to keep on top of the cleanliness and wash it every now and then. I'm not a professional detailer, but this is going to be a video on how I keep on top of the bikes, how I keep them clean, and just maintain them throughout winter. So I'm going to make a start by getting the hose out and rinsing all the loose dirt off the bike. Then I can get on with cleaning it properly. So now we've got the bike all rinsed off with the hose, got the worst of the dirt off, I can go ahead and get the bike all soaked up. Today, I'll be using this bike wash by Oxford Mint, is what I've got laying around. But to be honest, any bike wash will do. But I'll be applying it using their snow foam bottle. So now with the bike all soaked up, I can get on with my bucket and sponges and brushes and start washing the bike down. Whenever you're rinsing or washing down a bike, you never want to have like hard pressure water or be pushing direct into the electronics or where bearings are, because it can cause damage. Just a light rinse with a gentle hose, do the job perfectly fine. Always make a point of rinsing from top down, because at the end of the day, shit only flows down. And you don't want to push dirt and rubbish all over your freshly washed paintwork. So that's the bike all washed. It's looking clean, but it's rather wet. So that we don't leave watermarks all over the paintwork, I'm now going to go over it with a chamois leather and just completely dry off all the bodywork. So that's all the watermarks all gone, the bike's all dry. I could leave it at that, but today, because it's winter time and all the salt on the road, I'm going to go the extra mile and give it some extra protection. So I'll be using some Oxford Mint corrosion control on the engine and all the running gear and the electronics and things like that, because this just puts a light film barrier between the engine or whatever you put it on and the exterior. And then that way, all the grime and dirt from the road sticks to that. When it comes to washing the bike, the film dissolves and it all just falls off nice and easily. It helps protect the bike and it helps stop corrosion as well. So it's definitely a good product. And then for the bodywork, I just tend to put over a light coat of ceramic coating. Looks after the bodywork, helps water bead off, keeps it shiny. And that's what I use. The final thing to do while the bike is on the paddock stand is to give the chain some oil to help prolong its life and prevent rust and seized links. So that's it for today's video. Flora's bike now looks a lot better. It's definitely a lot cleaner. Now I've got rid of all the road grime and all the salt and just all the debris from winter riding. Like I said at the start of the video, I'm not a valeter, I'm just a normal guy who likes his bikes, and I like to try and keep them clean because it helps prevent rust and corrosion and just parts breaking. It's definitely worth doing this quite regularly, especially this time of year. If you're like me and ride your bike daily, like my work bikes, I tend to do this once a week, but bikes like Flora's bike, they get done once a month. All of these products I've been using, I'll put links to in my description at the very bottom so you can find them yourself. But at the same time, there's lots of products on the market. Go find what you like and what works for you. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share and comment and let me know what you think.